If you're longing for country living the way Romeo longed for Juliet, then you won't want to miss this half-acre dream property located here in Shakespeare, Ontario. We're but a brisk 20-minute drive from Kitchener, and better yet, a short 5-minute walk to Moo's ice cream shop, the British Touch, where you can get delicious chicken pot pies, a very tasty treat, and Shakespeare's Brewing Company, lest I say more. And if that's not enough, we have the best Little Pork Shoppe. I'm Helen Fidler from Helen's team, showcasing 3983 Sackville Street. Step inside to behold a 4-level side split. The main floor features an open concept kitchen, dining and living area with vaulted ceilings, large windows, and a new front hall closet with a barn door. The slider off the dining room opens to the vast yard, making this property perfect for lively gatherings and quiet evenings alike. Upstairs boasts 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, ensuring comfort and convenience for all. Tastefully decorated, you can just move in and enjoy. The lower level is impressive, with a versatile rec room that features a gas fireplace and a walkout to the backyard. This level hosts the 3rd bathroom and laundry area. There is a full unfinished basement level for you to write your own script as your story unfolds. Not to be outdone, the new 30 by 40 foot garage shop with 14-foot tall walls. This has its own entrance off the back road. It beckons car enthusiasts and hobbyists alike. So to move to the country or not to move to the country, that is the question. It all starts here on a half-acre lot with a fire pit and a great shop. And the best part is, this property is mine and it should be yours.